Welcome to Lesson 4 of Tarot for Beginners. If you're using the downloadable workbook, we're on pages 9 and 10. Feel free to pause here and grab it from the description. By the end of Lesson 4, you'll know how to prepare your space, your deck, and your mindset so your readings feel grounded, clear, and ready for interpretation. Now that you know the basics, let's talk about creating the right atmosphere for your tarot reading. The environment you choose can help you connect with your intuition and the cards on a deeper level. Find a quiet spot where you won't be disturbed. It could be a corner of your room, a cozy nook, or even an outdoor space. Bring in items that help you feel grounded and focused. You might like crystals, candles, or your favorite incense. Before you begin, take a moment to set an intention for your reading. What question are you exploring? What guidance are you seeking? This helps focus your energy and allows the cards to guide clearly. Shuffle your deck in a way that feels natural to you. Some people like to ask their question out loud, while others prefer to focus silently as they shuffle. Many tarot readers also pay close attention to the cards that fall or fly out during shuffling. When this happens, it's often seen as a sign that these cards are meant for the reading. Once you feel ready, you can cut the deck and draw your cards. Before you start interpreting your cards, it helps to create a simple energy reset. Nothing complicated. One slow breath in, one slow breath out. It clears the noise and settles your mind so you can actually hear your intuition. A steady surface also helps keep the reading grounded. Use whatever feels right: a cloth, a clear table, or a dedicated tarot mat. If you want something guided, I've linked the tarot mats from my shop in the description. They include blank versions, Celtic cross outlines, and prompt-based layouts that keep everything organized while you're learning. A quick note on reversals. Some readers use them and some don't. I don't. I prefer to read the full meaning of a card through intuition and context. Whichever approach you choose, stay consistent for the reading you're doing. In the next lesson, we get into interpreting the cards, the part most people are excited for. The free 14-page Tarot Meanings Guide from Lesson 3 will be incredibly useful here, so download that if you haven't already. I'll see you in Lesson 5, where it all starts coming together.